Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I am showing you a tutorial of how to build Stampy, Stampy Longnose, Stampy Longhead, Stampy, whatever you want to call him, statue in Minecraft. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, so we will need yellow terracotta, white concrete, light grey concrete, black concrete, green terracotta, light grey concrete, and light grey wall to add a bit more detail. So yeah, we're going to start off with his claws, his feet. So you have a mixture of grey, light grey and white, so like this in a pattern, and it'll add up all the width to 8, so like that. Next you add the white layer on top to create that little pour, and I would say got probably about 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe 6 to 8, no longer than 8, because I think it then it'll probably get a bit too tall, and you know what, tall stature is not good at times. So yeah, that maybe maybe 8. We might do 8. Oh, I don't know why we had that. Yeah, 8. So we have 8, and now we'll start the fur bit. There we go, and then we'll do that, and then so you've got like little V shape because it goes out, and that his hand I believe goes out a bit more like this, so I would say probably, I think it's more of a 4 like that, and then his orange, I believe it's that. I'm hoping it looks good, I don't know, but yeah, right. And then this white will go up, you fill this all in with white, it's it's his fur, it's his nice little white bit. If you've seen his skin, you know what it kind of look like. So I'd say like that. Oh, you could kind of see, you now kind of can see the little image happening. So now I would say again, and arm, I'll make it 3D, but if you wanna just see 2D, you can stick around here, and yeah, then I'll show you how to do 3D. So then out by 4, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and probably up one there, and then build it right here. As you can see, that's the skin at the moment. It's actually coming along really, really nicely. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 more with orange here. You might want to go 8, I don't know yet. I haven't looked at the size, but I would say if you go pretty much 6 to 8 again, you'll pretty much be decent. I would possibly say I'd probably say that one, so go up by 1 more. Right, and now you kind of want it by 2 again. Take that 2 away, and then I would say 1 that, So you do like an N shape this time, and do like that, and then cover this in, and then you fill the rest with orange, yellow terracotta. It looks like orange, doesn't it? But it's more yellow orange. So like that, I would say that is very, very good. Now we're going to start his head. So let's start obviously in the middle. So we'll do probably from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 there, and probably 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It might be bigger. I have no clue yet, but 8 is generally the way to go. Yeah, generally, I think that's it. So you have this little grey. No, his grey moustache. But I think it's generally a bit more wool. It's white around his little choppers, like that. Maybe, yeah, like that, and then you have that grey there, and grey there. Yeah, so it's, the width is great, and then with that there, no, with that there, and that there. That's like his little whiskers, I believe, and then that leg is white, and that's more orange. It's coming very, very nicely, I believe. Got nice hands, feet, didn't face. So now, next is his eyes. So I'd say, so the lighter one out that, and then the darker one next to it, and then we'll have black, and then that to black, so I guess it's white as well. That, yeah, and white there. There we go. You could kind of see him in a way. So then you have the two continually white, and that, I believe, it's like that. So then it's really 9 blocks. Yeah, like that. And now you're gonna have to do the other eye, which the light one there, and then probably do like that, and that's basically him. You want to do the ears, the orange width, so that, or like that. So you've got a little width of you know, his little hair. Yeah, that's that, I would say. And no, got a black bit there. Oh, it's so looking good. Right, and then you've got a light grey up there. Up there. Oh my god, that looks like it. See, that is the 2D model of Stampy. Yeah, basically you can add a bit more grey in the fur and all that, but I don't think it needs it. It looks like him at the moment. So yeah, stick around now if you want it to be more of a 3D kind of picture, 3D looking thing. So what you want to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'd probably say 4 before here, that, and then rest this. It might be hard, but trust me, it's quite easy to do and it is not bad. So you do that, do this. You just need to basically copy it like this and make it more of a 3D kind of thing, but instead of the face you do hair. There we go. And here, so all you do is this, like a nice 3D kind of Stampy Cat. So yeah, like this video if you like Stampy. You know, 10 million of you out there must like Stampy or watch Stampy, etc. So yeah, if you want me to do like Dan to DM, Mr Squid, oh I don't know what else. You know the other like popular YouTubers, so maybe like Dan to DM, Mr Squid, Jacksepticeye, I think he's got a micro skin, PewDiePie, all of them, I don't know. But yeah, comment below and I will make your wish a true beauty. So yeah, all you want to do is just make a size. I said 4 because I think that's reasonable. This is the thing. I started with the arms because I think the arms is pretty damn easy to you know, start off with. Let's do that. And you got the body to do. I know it's pretty long, I am very sorry, but you know what, I thought how to build a YouTuber, I thought that would be kind of a cool thing. So yeah, right, there we go, we have, you know, done the arms. Next is probably, we're gonna have to probably do just, it's basically all orange on this bit. We're gonna have to do so 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, there we go. If we just, you know, if we do this and then we add all the grey bits in, that's fine. So then I'm guessing we have grey there, probably grey here, grey there. So we maybe have double grey there, white, and then we have double here, a line of here, and another double here. You can also do one with Stampy style shoes. So yeah, right, next I'll just fill it up with all orange, I guess. It's quite simple as can be. It's generally not hard. You fill this in, you fill the face in, because you know what, you don't get a face on the back, do you? So yeah, we'll do that. We'll basically fill out all of this with orange. We shouldn't really do do it all at the same time like I'm doing. But you know, do this. And you just wanna cover it up like this. And yeah, from here, that's the face. So it should do the face first, I guess. So that's how we're on a roll and doing it. It's quite a flat one. Maybe you would like to do 8, but it's 4 by 4. It's generally a statue. So if you're looking for 8, I'm sorry, but you just had 8 and it still looked the same. So yeah, now we're just doing this. There we go. There we go. Oh wait, did I don't know if I broke that or what, but that's there. Okay. I would say we put there. I would say a bit like this. I mean, I honestly don't know what like a little hair thing looks like. If you just kind of make it up as you go, it's, I mean, it's okay. I mean, I don't really like it. If you just keep it like that. I mean something like that. Yeah, it was just, it's something. I'm not going to detail. You could do that. Next, you just fill all this in orange, 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 orange. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Just you're filling it rest up, and now you know you've got that, and then it's basically you're done. So yeah, if you stuck around, thank you, and comment actually if you stuck around, saying that you stuck around, say pineapple in the comments if you watched at the end. In the comments, if you're watching this while premiere, comment after that, comment pineapple if you watch this to the end. I just want to see how many people watch this on to the end. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Right, after this I will show you the full outcome. Let me block that off. And this. So yeah, it's just basically building out. It's nothing really difficult. What you're doing is that. Actually, to be honest, I don't know why we're doing that. We could just go. It could be hollow. Or if you're living out of it, you can keep it like that and make glass size. I mean, whatever this purpose is for, change it around, you know. You can have Stampy still, but maybe glass eyes, maybe just a hollow self so you can live in it, you know, like Stampy and Squid's Quest, you know. It can be twisted. It's just, yeah. But yeah, look, there we go. I mean, head might look a bit weird, but yeah, I have made a Stampy Cat statue. I do hope you guys did enjoy, and yeah, comment, smash the like button, and subscribe if you want to see other YouTubers, me building other YouTubers in Minecraft on how to build. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this Minecraft tutorial, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.